Hello and welcome to FitbeWell recipes. Today we're gonna see how to make a super quick and healthy chaat with sweet potatoes. In comparison to regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are high on fiber, low on starch, and also keep you satiated for a longer time. For this we need about 350 grams of boiled sweet potato. You could also use baked or air-fried sweet potato, pomegranate seeds to top the chaat, finely chopped onions for the garnishing. Now this is the date and tamarind chutney that I make by blending dates and tamarind soaked together in hot water for some time. And of course, every chaat is incomplete without chopped coriander leaves. Our sweet potato needs to be well boiled but not mushy. So we begin by cutting the sweet potato into bite-sized pieces to go with our choice. At my home we are pretty comfortable with this size, however if you like smaller pieces you may proceed to cut likewise. So let's go to the next step where we heat a pan and drizzle a bit of oil. Well, I use coconut oil, but it doesn't really matter here because we are using very little bit of it. You can go ahead with any cooking oil of your choice. Now we add sweet potatoes and start roasting on a medium flame. Then we add about 2 teaspoons of chaat masala all over. Let's remember that we are only trying to get a bit of crunch on the outsides of the sweet potato. So we are not shallow frying these sweet potatoes. Let's give it a good mix. If you want, you may prefer to add cumin seeds or cumin powder at this stage. Now I'm going to be adding some oregano for some nice burst of spice and flavor. You may prefer to add any spices of your choice right now. We mix and roast for a few more seconds now and then put off the flame. So there we go, transferring the contents to another bowl. Now finally coming to all the chaat ingredients now. Let's start adding the finely chopped onions. Well, you're seeing my daughter trying to help me out with that here. Let's add the coriander leaves. There comes our date and tamarind chutney, which you can also replace with any chutney of your choice. We add pomegranate seeds for their characteristic sweetness and crunch. If you like roasted cornflakes or groundnuts, you may proceed to add them here. Before we start mixing them, in the end, let's drizzle only a little bit of salt since we've already got some chaat masala in there. We give it a good mix and we're almost done. This chaat is a personal favorite at my home, and given that it's so low on spices, it's gonna be a great hit with kids too. This quantity is perfect with a family of 3 or 4. Do try this recipe yourself and let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. So our super healthy and super delicious sweet potato chaat is ready to be savored, and hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across your people. If you're here on my channel for the first time, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I'd also love if you visit my website FitbeWell, where I don't just share recipes but also discuss stuff on fitness and parenting. Stay tuned for more.